Of all the foods that we've made, this one makes top 5. Top 5 favorite. Try it.
We're gonna put a binder of extra virgin olive oil on our chicken. Then we're gonna hit it with several different seasonings. And give that a mix. Then we're gonna throw them in the air fryer at 390 for about 16 minutes or until golden crispy. Next, take your Costco take and bake sourdough bread, and we're gonna throw it in the oven, 420, for about 18 minutes or so. Costco bread is done. Let's grab that. Gotta slice up the bread. Hot. Then we gotta gut it. Oh, that's good. Ah, fuck. Okay, no, I'm done. While it's still hot, we gotta add our cheese. Cheddar cheese. Boom. Now we gotta get our onions ready. We're gonna soften them up a bit. Take about 2/3 of an onion, chop it up into whatever pieces you want. We're gonna keep ours a little thicker, like we like our women. Then we're just gonna go. That looks good. Then we're gonna hit it with some olive oil. Once the onions have softened a little bit, add a little more butter and give those a mix. After we remove the onions, we're going in with butter, buffalo sauce from Primal Kitchen, and some local honey. For our toppings, we're going tomatoes and avocado. We're going to slice these just like any other tomato, sandwich style. Once your chicken's done, take it out, and we're gonna chop it up into bite-sized pieces. Time to assemble the big-ass sandwich. Wow. That's a big ass sandwich.
It's like a pub sub.
Cheers. That's way better than a pub sub.
Out of this world. At home, buffalo chicken pub sub.
Big ass sandwich.
You gotta try this one.